In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and resend an envelope in DocuSign, whether you're managing a project or simply need to make a quick adjustment to an important document. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First things first, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser, which for this tutorial is Google Chrome. Once you're in Chrome, navigate to the DocuSign website. In the top right corner, you'll see the option to log in. Enter your credentials to access your account, ensuring that you're using the correct email and password associated with your DocuSign account. If you have any trouble logging in, you might need to check your connection or verify your login details. Once logged in, turn your attention to the main navigation menu where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Manage tab. The Manage section is essentially your dashboard for all ongoing and completed transactions. In this section, you'll be able to see a list of all your envelopes. Take a moment to locate the specific envelope you want to edit. This is important since the envelope contains the documents and settings you might need to adjust. After selecting the desired envelope, look for an option called Advanced Correct. This tool is essential for making any modifications to the recipient's documents or fields within your envelope. Clicking on Advanced Correct will bring up a detailed view of all the elements associated with your envelope. Now, with the editing interface open, you can go ahead and make any necessary changes. Whether it's modifying recipient details, updating document content, or adjusting field placements, take your time to ensure everything is accurate. The ability to make these changes is a powerful feature of DocuSign, allowing you to correct or improve your documents without starting from scratch. Once you've completed the necessary revisions, it's crucial to save these changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the interface. Saving your changes ensures that your modifications are stored and ready for subsequent actions. After confirming that all changes are saved, the final step hinges on whether these changes require resending the envelope. If you need to resend it, you'll have the option to do so. Simply click on the Resend option, which prompts DocuSign to deliver the updated envelope to the specified recipients. If no resend is necessary, consider informing your recipients personally about the document updates. And there you have it. You've successfully edited and managed your envelope in DocuSign. This process not only offers flexibility, but also ensures your documentation remains accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.